Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you some of the Wille Prime Power Collection wigs. These wigs are brand new into Judy Plum Wigs and are super special because they are made up from 50% human hair and 50% heat resistant synthetic fibre. This means you get all the benefits of a human hair wig, such as the ability to style it using heat and the extended longevity, but at a much lower price point. The wig I've got to show you here is the Promise Mono Part wig. As you can see, this is a lovely shorter style. Currently it is styled straight, but as I said, you can use that heat to add a little wave, curl, whatever you want. It does have a monofilament parting, so you can see it right through to the scalp, so it's giving a really natural appearance as if those fibres are growing it straight from your head. I'm just going to flip this cap inside out so we can take a closer look at its construction. So as you can see on the wig here, we've got a lovely section of a lace front, which is going to give a really natural appearance from the front of the wig. Then we've got this lace section here, which is covering up that monofilament part here, but that again is going to show straight through to your scalp so that it looks like that hair is growing from your scalp. The rest of the wig is fully wefted, which is nice and stretchy, making it very comfy and breathable. You've got your little Velcro adjustable tabs at the nape of the neck there, so you can make sure you've got the perfect fit. And you've got the metal stays in the ear tabs there, which is just going to make sure that your wig stays in place all day long. So I'm just going to pop the wig on so that you can see what she looks like. I'm just going to line her up with my forehead there, pulling her back over my head. Then I'm going to grab onto my little ear tabs and align them with my temples. And then I'm going to make sure that that lace front is sitting about 4 fingers width from my eyebrows. I'm just going to check in my mirror to make sure it's sitting right. So this is what the wig looks like on. It is a super comfy, shorter style with this nice swooping fringe here. Your fringe is about 13 centimeters in length. You've got 16 centimeters from the crown, 14 centimeters at the sides and 5 centimeters from the nape. So it's got a nice kind of angled bob shape to it. I'm going to do a little spin around so you can see what this wig looks like from every single angle. So this is the shade Pearl Blonde Rooted, which is a lovely sort of cooler, ashier toned light blonde shade, but with that darker root, again giving a really natural appearance. This wig is available in a variety of colours. If there's any you're particularly interested in, don't hesitate to get in touch with Judy Plum and we can get that ordered in for you. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Promise wig from the Wille Prime Power collection. It is this super pretty, shorter style that is perfect to just throw on and go, but because it is that kind of 50-50 blend between human hair and heat resistant synthetic fibres, you could style it, you could add a little wave, a little curl. It really is a very versatile wig. To give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig review videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel and head on over to the website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you later.